What's up, YouTube? This is Neng. This is a video for going through my programming assignment of 18652, and these are my contact methods. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. So first of all, the functions. You can enter the username you like, and if for the redundant username, you will be get warned saying about the existence of it, and also you can see the user message in dynamically updated way. And you can, whenever you post a message, it's also posting to the database. You can of course leave the chat room, and the user list will get updated. And you will not only post the message but also the timestamp and also the username. And so first of all, let's go to the demo. So here we go, the Mango D, here node server.js, and getting to the login panel, enter your username. I'll use Kylo Ren because I like Star Wars, and I get into it. So you can see the historical message from Darth Vader like earlier time ago, and online user and now Kylo Ren saying Kylo Ren is greedy. So how much RSU asking here, and if you refresh the page here, and so let's say Luke is saying no because he's a good guy posting here. So you can see online users getting updated, Kylo Ren and Luke. And here let's have another one, Yoda saying hey, you sis, you have a grandson, saying to the Darth Vader. And let's open another panel here, say Yoda again, then oops, username already exists, which is good. And here say Yoda get tired of the conversation. You can see here logging as Yoda, then Yoda exit, and here getting updated. Online users only Kylo Ren and Luke is there, and these messages are stored into the MongoDB. So let's go back to the slide here. For the tools I used for the client side is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Together they are called the standard web stack, and also the Bootstrap to make things easier. For the server side is Node.js, Express.js as development framework. In between, it's a lot of Socket.io as a middleware, and I use the NoSQL, the Mango, specifically the Mongoose. So yeah, let's look at the code here. Package.json is just defining all the dependency here. You can npm install, and you have index and server. This is the client side. This is server side, of course, and here you are requiring all the modules you needed for it. And you can see here storing into the database, the schema things, and primary function is here, socket IO. I consider it as a big switch statement, and each of the event arranged by the importance. Sorry, by the order. So you need to first have new user, then update usernames, like send messages stuff, and disconnect. In between the client side and the server side is basically socket.on and socket emit. Socket emit means sending out something. Socket on means receiving something, and this part it was used as event ID to do the according function here, like writing to the database. Once disconnect, remove it from the user list. Here, new user, check if it's in the user list or not. This is basically the server side, and for the client side, it's mostly the three components: the HTML, the CSS for cosmetic things, and also the JavaScript here for handling the event from from client side, basically it's the same thing. It's like another switch statement according to the order that you enter the page. Like you have to get the new users and update the user list. These are the helpful functions to make things prettier, easier. Loading previous messages before after everything, and here socket on new message. This does not mean receive that does not mean sending out message, but the receive message because it's socket on. So that's the way how the client and the server communicate with each other. That thing made the app here. So let's go. For the checklist, I finished everything in it and also pushed it to GitHub. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll also give the link in the end of the video. See you next project. Bye.